Hello everyone, you're welcome to our math lesson for today. And for today's lesson, we are going to be needing our math learners books, our notebooks, our pencils and erasers. So make sure you put everything in place before we start our lesson. Our math learners books, our notebooks, our pencils and erasers. For today's learning objective, learners will be able to improve their estimation and begin to visualize the volume of 1 liter and half a liter. Learners also will gain further practice in estimating and developing their knowledge and understanding of half a liter and 1 liter. Also, learners will improve in their calculation skills and will come to realize that it is better to measure in 1 liter than in half a liter, as these will make it easier to calculate the volume of liquids in a container. Okay, remember our topic is about measuring capacity, and hope you remember what capacity is. Capacity is a measure of how much a container can hold. Can you say that after me? Capacity is how much a container can hold. And in our last class, I remember I told you we measure capacity in 2 ways. Can you remember them? Okay, in milliliters and in liters. We measure capacity in milliliters and in liters. Good job. Okay, so we also looked at volume. And what did we say volume is? Is the space that a liquid can occupy in a container. Okay, so today we are going to continue with our topic on capacity. Now, I want you to take a look at these objects or containers. Fill the bucket. Look at the first picture here. It says, if you want to fill your swimming pool up with water, which of these containers can you use to fill your swimming pool, and why? Why would you choose any of these containers, whichever is your choice, to fill your swimming pool? Now, Miss Warner is really thirsty. Which cup should she use? Which of these 2 cups between the green and the blue cup should Miss Warner use to drink water? And why? Remember, Miss Warner is really thirsty. So which of these 2 cups can she use to drink water? Okay, take a look at the picture A. We have a green cup which holds 1 milliliter of liquid, and we also have a container which has a liquid inside of 600 milliliters. Now, they ask the question below and they say, how many cups are needed to fill the container? How many cups are needed to fill container A. Container A, remember, has 600 milliliters of water already. Now, how many cups of 100 milliliters do we need to add to 600 milliliters to give us 1 liter? Okay, so we already have 600. We'll need to add 4 more cups, which is adding 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, which will give us 1000 milliliters, which is also equal to 1 liter. Excellent. Now look at the container B, and the question says, how many cups are needed to fill the container? How many milliliters does container B have? It has 800 milliliters of water in the container. So how many cups, green cups of liquids, do we need to add to container B to give us 1 liter? Okay, we need to add 200. Okay, or we can add 100 plus 100, which will give us 1000 milliliters, which is also equal to 1 liter. Excellent. Now we have different sizes and capacity of cups of containers in this slide. Okay, can you read the first one? The biggest one is 1 liter. The next one, the cup with the orange with the yellow and black stripes on it, is how many milliliters? Good job, 500. And we also have another object here. Can you read what we have below it? 25 milliliters. Good job. And the last one is just 1 milliliters. Good job. Okay, we also have other sizes and capacity of containers, as you can see here. So we have the water bottle, which is 1 liter. You can see the Coca-Cola bottles. One of it is 1 liter and the other is about half a liter. And we also have 4 containers here, which also make 1 liter, and 3 other containers which make half a liter each. Okay, looking at the slide, can you read the milliliters on the objects? Okay, we have 500. The milk cup is 500 milliliters. The juice container is 460. We have a soda cup here, a container. It contains 260 milliliters. We have a vitamin here of fortified water. It is 260 milliliters. Good job. Okay, the next one is a sport drink. How many? 250. Good job. Okay, we have a bottle of water. How many milliliters? Okay, and the last one is 150 milliliters. Good job. So why do you say this is in milliliters? Okay, because they are not up to a liter. Also because they are small. Good job. So we have some other bottles which are 2 liters, or 5 liters or 10 liters bigger than 1 liter. And for example, looking at this bottle, they say half of a large pop bottle is 1 liter. So how many liters do you think this pop bottle is? I think it's 2 liters. Good job. Okay, looking at this slide, we can see how to add up or make 1 liter or half a liter. We already know that 1000 milliliters make how many liters? 1 liter. Good job. And we'll be looking at how to add fractions to give us a liter. So we can add half plus half a liter to give us 1 liter. We can add half a liter of liquid plus another half a liter of liquid to give us 1 liter. Good. Another way we can try to get a liter is by adding 1/4. How many times? 4 times. Remember, 1/4 is 1 out of 4. Is 1/4 of something. 1/4 is 1/4 of something. Why half? It's, for example, you cutting an apple into 2. That will give you half and half. And when you're dividing to get 1/4, you cut the apple into how many? Into 4. Okay, that is going to give you 1/4. So to get 1 liter, how many times do we add 1/4? 4 times. And it's going to give us 1 liter. Or like I told us already, another way is to add half a liter of water plus another half a liter of water. It will give you 1 liter. Or you add 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus another 1/4, which will give you 1 liter. Good. And what if you have to measure half a liter? How do you think you can measure it? Okay, you can just add 1/4 plus 1/4, which will give you half a liter. Okay. And what if we have to make 1.5 liter of water? How many 1/4s do you need? We would need to add. Okay, we could either add 1/4 3 times. Okay, we could add it 3 times and it's going to give us 1.5 liter of water. Or we add half plus half plus half, which can also give us a liter and a half of water. Good job. So we have an example here. We can add 200 milliliters plus 400 milliliters. That will give us 600 plus another 400, which will give us 1000 milliliters, which is equal to 1 liter of water. Good job. Now we have to do an activity here. Let's say Anna's bucket is full. It holds 5 cups of beans. Anna's bucket holds 5 cups of beans. And Jimmy's bucket can hold 8 cups of beans. Okay, now if Anna pours her beans into Jimmy's cup, how many more cups of beans will they need to fill up? Remember, Anna's bucket is full with 5 cups of beans, and Jimmy's bucket can take 8 cups of beans. Now, 8 cups of beans minus Anna's 5 cups. How many more cups we need to add to Anna's cups of beans to make Jimmy's bucket full? We'll need 3 cups. Okay, 3 cups of beans to fill up Jimmy's bucket. Okay, so we have 2 questions here. The first example we are going to do is, the question says, how many jugs of water are needed to fill the bucket? And what we are going to use to fill the 8-liter bucket is the green container with 4 liters. Now, what do you think we can do to fill up the 8-liter bucket? How many times do you think we are going to add the 4-liter container into the 8-liter bucket? So we can add 4 plus, we can add 4 liters plus another 4 liters. Why are we going to add 4 liters? Because our measuring jug carries 4 liters of water. And so 4 plus 4 will give us 8 jugs of water, which is going to fill the 8-liter container. Good job. Now the second example says, how many glasses of water? We have a green glass here, which can take or contain 250 milliliters of water. Now to fill our jug, which takes 1 liter, how many times do you think we are going to carry water in the cup to fill up the 1-liter container? Okay, so since the cup takes 250 milliliters, we can add 250 plus another 250 milliliters plus another 250 milliliters and another 250 milliliters. And this is going to give us how many milliliters? 1000. Good job. And 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So how many cups or glasses of water did we add into the jug to give us 1 liter? We added 4 glasses. Good job. Okay, in this slide we have a couple of questions which needs critical thinking for us to be able to answer our questions. Now we have some containers and some questions 1 to 3 to answer. Question 1 says, how many 1-liter jug will be needed to fill 5-liter jug? How many 1-liter jugs of water will we need to fill this 5-liter jug of water? How many 1-liter jugs do you think we will need to fill up this 5-liter jug of water? Okay, we can add 1 liter plus another 1 liter plus another 1 liter and another one. We add 1 liter how many times? 5 times. And it's going to give us how many liters? 5 liters of water. Good job. Or we can say 1 liter multiplied how many times? 5 times, which will give us 5 liters still of water. Good job. And the second question says, how many half-liter jugs will be needed to fill this 5-liter jug? How many times we add half-liter jug of water to give us 5-liter jug of water? So we are going to add half plus half equals 1. Another half plus half liter will give us another 1. Another half plus half will give us another 1 liter. Another half plus half will give us another 1 liter. And then another half plus half will give us 1 liter. So how many times did we add halves to give us 5 liters of water? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many half liters did we need to add to give us 5 liters? We needed to add half a liter 5 times. We needed to add it 10 times, sorry, to give us 5 liters of water. Good job. And the last question, number 3, says, how many liters and half-liter jugs will be needed to fill this same 5-liter jugs of water? So we can either add 1 liter 5 times, which will give us 5 liters, or we add half liters, how many times? 10 times, to give us same 5 liters. Okay, so we should understand that we can either use 1 liter or half liters to fill a 5-liter jug of water, or a 10-liter jug of water, or a bigger liter of water. Hello, my friend. Okay, I'm sure by now you're able to read milliliters and liters on containers. Okay, so we have an activity, and the instruction says write the reading shown on each of the containers by counting in 50s. So we already have some liquid in each of the containers. So you have to read and write down the milliliters that each of these containers contains. Okay, so you can check your work after you're done in this next slide. Okay, also you can go to your learner's books in page 52 and try to come up with answers to how to measure in 1 liter and half a liter. Okay, and also be able to come up with calculations on how you can make maybe 4 liters or 10 liters or 8 liters of water. Okay, it was a nice time with you today. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye.